Dude, what if I told you you can create YouTube shorts in minutes only using AI? Well, you are in the right place. It's easy and fast, and I'm gonna show you, so sub and let's get into it. First, open up Canva. It's a cool website where you can create content such as YouTube videos fast and easy. We want YouTube shorts. So look up YouTube shorts and find a good template you like to start with for your short. This one works. Now head on over to ChatGPT. It's a cool AI website that generates text prompts for you in seconds. I want to create a YouTube channel that shows interesting facts. So I'll write me a list of 5 random interesting facts about trees with no more than 10 words each. Hit generate and wait, and it generates your prompt. Looks perfect. Go back into Canva and make the needed edits for your short. Go back to ChatGPT and copy each of the rows of content and paste it into your Canva shorts, each slide for each row of content. Do this for each row of information. Make the edits. Perfect. Now we want some audio. I want to have a voiceover, so go to Play HT. This is a cool voice-to-speech website where all you do is write text and it'll generate an audio file for you. So go in, find a good voice.
5 random interesting facts about...
This one sounds great. Copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it into Play HT right here and generate all. Once that is finished, export the file. Make sure it's export all as a single audio file. Go back into Canva and upload that audio file and place it into the timeline of your short. Make sure it matches with each slide. Let's listen.
5 random interesting facts about trees. Trees communicate through an underground...
Look good. Now export the short and you are good to go. You can do whatever you want with this.
5 random interesting facts about trees. Trees communicate through an underground fungal network.
It's fast, easy, and costs nothing. Thanks for watching. Sub and like the video. Good luck.